Hi planners, welcome back to the channel. It's Sarah here, Creating with Sarah. Thanks so much for stopping by in another video. Today's video for Flip Through Friday, I have the POSH Box. This is by Live.Love.Posh. It's a new subscription box that she just released. So if you guys want to check out what's inside, then keep on watching. Alrighty friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Sarah, all things creating and planning, making things fun. So today is a special day. I'm sharing with you the POSH Box. It's a planner subscription box, again by Live.Love.Posh. So you may know her from making these gorgeous sticker books. They're so beautiful, especially if you love floral. You're definitely going to want to see what's inside this box, and you can only get it if you purchase it through this box. So as I'm filming this, there is still boxes available. It's $49.99. It does offer 2 shipping, so you have $5 first class and then $8 for priority. And she ships, it says on there, it ships between 3 to 5 days. So definitely check her out on her Instagram. Click the bio, take you straight to her website, so her storefront. So it'll share all the information that you need to know about this box, but it is $49.99 and with shipping. So let's go ahead and dive into this gorgeous box. This is so pretty. It's so Jessica, and I'm so happy for her and supporting her in her business. So let's just go ahead and open this gorgeous box. Oh my goodness. So you do get a information card which says the POSH Box, and I'll go ahead and share what's inside up close. You guys can take a look at that. Beautiful card, and she always says a little gratitude from her, and then this is all of her information that you can find her on her platforms, and definitely don't forget to use the hashtags if you do purchase from her storefront. Okay, look how everything's packaged. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, I did open this up and take everything out because I wanted to share on Instagram as well, so I tried to package it up as much as I could on my own. But it came in this cute little cellophane bag with her little sticker that says Live.Love.Posh. How cute. So everything comes in this bag. Also get this cute package here, which I'll share with you guys what it is. It's so beautiful. So I'm definitely going to keep this box. I think it's something cute to put in your planner space if you're like me and you're a planner nerd and you have our own office for something like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this to the side. First thing that comes out of this beautiful bag is the brand new summer sticker book. So this is the summer sticker book that she has designed. Look at this yellow. I totally got my nails done the other day and it actually matches this box. Oh my gosh, this sticker book is gorgeous. So yes, this is the new Live.Love.Posh POSH summer sticker book. Beautiful. So now you have the summer, muted blooms, botanical gardens, posh blooms and icons, spring florals, and floral blossom. Super gorgeous. I mean, I love her design. Her detail to packaging is just so beautiful. Get this little pouch. How cute is this? Little packaging. And you get some washi. So this is like the thin washi. You get 4. It probably tells you the size on her information card. Yes, you get 4, but they're all 5 mm. So you get this one here that has some polka dots to it. It's black and white. You get this black backing with these beautiful fuchsia florals. You get this black and white striped. And then you get this horizontal black and white stripe. So this one's kind of like a checkered maybe, but you can see those are a little bit different. And they do come wrapped with the plastic. Really gorgeous washi. It's definitely her aesthetic. Everything kind of flows nicely with the packaging. So super cute. So you get 4 5 mm washi. This cute little bag that you can actually use this for traveling with you in your planner bag. So this is really cute. Okay, the next thing that you get in this gorgeous box is one 50-sheet floral notepad, and it's 3 by 5.5 inches, and it has like the same design of that checkered black and white washi that you saw, and some of the same floral that's on the box. Super cute. So these are really great for listing out all the things that you need to get done in the day, and especially for pre-planning. So it's such a cute little notepad to match your stickers. Super pretty. Okay, you also get a pen in this box so that you can use your little floral notepad. And this one is so gorgeous and luxe. So it's a gold pen with all these little cute crystals there. Super pretty, and it is embossed with Live.Love.Posh. So pretty. It does come with a cap, and it does come with a protector on the tip of the pen. So it's not a twisty or anything like that. It's just a pen with a cap, and then it does come with the little protector. But how luxe and beautiful is this pen? Very substantial pen, has some weight to it, and it clicks well, so you know that this pen is not going to fall off in your planner bag. And super pretty. So you do get a pen. The next thing you get is a lotus flower enamel pen. And if you've checked out Jessica's shop, she does carry other pens, which are really cute, especially for like the planner world, because you get to collect them. It's kind of like if you're a Disney person and you collect Disney pens, it's the same thing for a planner nerd. So you can collect these pens and put them like on those little boards. That's what I have mine on. I'll share like a picture here in the video, but these are really cute. I know Happy Planner came out with some. You could put these on, you know, a board, or you could put them on your planner bag, or a pencil pouch, something really cute, or a jean jacket would be really cute. I think this would be cute on a jean jacket, but super cute, totally Jessica's style. I love that she has pens in her shop. It makes her shop unique, so love that. I didn't mention, but the pen is black ink. It says on the note card, and it has the little cute gems, which are kind of, it looks gold. Give you guys a close up, but it kind of looks like gold flecks and some clear ones in there. Really pretty. Okay, so the last thing you get is this cute little package, and it's a fuchsia quilted accessory pouch. And I love the detail. It's like getting a little present. Oh my goodness, look how rich and colorful this beautiful quilted pencil pouch is. So pretty. She has like the stitching here, Live.Love.Posh embossed on here in gold, and it has a zipper detail here. Very nice zipper pull. I love that. So it's pink too. It's not like gold. You know how some a lot of bags in general have like the gold zipper. I like that this is pink, so it kind of like blends in. She does give you a nice thick foam in here to keep it sturdy, so you can keep this when you want to storage your bags, so you don't have to lose its shape. But this is really nice the way it's sewn at the bottom, so it kind of gives it a little bit of sturdiness once you fill it up the way it's sewn down here. I love that. I am a bag lady. I love things detailed like that, but this is very nice quality, super worth the value, especially the pull. I'm kind of particular about zippers, so that's super nice. The color is just so pretty. So you could totally take this with you to a planner meetup, to a conference. You know, there will be Go Wild and such, and I know that there's other ones eventually when everyone gets comfortable enough to. But you know, you could do little meetups and gatherings. Yeah, and you could totally just use this for your purse and put all your essentials in here. You could put the pen on here if you'd like. But yeah, let's see what, oh, so the back of the pen doesn't have like the rubber one. It's the good clip lock-in ones. So that's nice, but that would be really pretty on here. So that is everything that you get in this box. Now we're gonna do a flip through since this is Flip Through Friday. I know it's not the norm, but I thought since this box comes with a brand new sticker book that you guys can use for the summer, we're gonna sit down and flip through this gorgeous book. Okay, so let's go ahead and flip through the new Posh Summer sticker book. Again, I love the packaging, the bright yellow. It definitely gets you ready for summer. So let's go ahead and flip through this. Oh my gosh, already I'm loving the colors. Green is my very favorite color, and these are actually clear. So pretty. You get 2 pages. If you're not familiar with Jessica's sticker book, normally you get 2 sheets of the same sticker design. Next we have some more brights. These definitely give me those summer tropical vibes, and they're all clear. So you get 2 pages of those. Wow, these are gorgeous. I just love the rich color that I'm getting from these florals. So pretty. Those are clear. Ah, wow, the yellow is just beautiful. The beautiful reds. It just looks like a beautiful watercolor. So you get 2 pages of those, and we're still clear. This may be a full clear sticker book, and it's probably her first time having a full clear sticker book. Oh my goodness, this one is so pretty. I just love the purples. I'm actually gonna take one up here just to see how nice these actually pull. Wow, so here's the sticker. It is translucent, but the color, the richness is still there, which I really like. Okay, I know we're talking about stickers, but I'm a planner nerd, okay? I love these. They're so pretty. So you get 2 pages of those. You get 2 pages of this beautiful page that gives more of the teals and blue and orange. I love the color palette of each floral sticker. This is more me. I love the brights. So pretty. Oh my gosh, check this out. This is so funky and cute. I just love the pink. I have like this light pink backing to them. So it does have like this light pink color, and you can definitely take that off to help pull out your stickers easily, especially your clear ones. Let me just try to put this back. I probably should do that before I mess it up. Yeah, but how beautiful are these Monstera leaves, which are my favorite. I love tropical, botanical type of plants. Oh, you get 2 pages of this one. Kind of has like, in some areas of the leaves, they have like this pretty ombre. Oh my gosh. Okay, this might be my favorite. These are so bright. I'm so impressed how these stickers were printed, and you can still see the vibrancy on these stickers. They just came out so beautifully. So you get 2 pages of that one. And then here we have some more, definitely more tropical vibes. It definitely gives me like Hawaiian vibes. I mean, I've never been to Hawaii, but they kind of give me those vibes. So you get 2 pages of those. Then we get some more floral bouquets with the bright fuchsia colors. A lot of fuchsia and orangey colors in here, and yellows. Wow, look at this one. This is pretty. This totally gives me Hawaii vibes too. Oh, I would love to go to Hawaii. That would be amazing. So pretty. So you get 2 pages of those. Ooh, and then you just get these yellow flowers, which totally match my nail color. Super bright and fun. This would probably be cute with like, I don't know, watermelon. I don't know why I'm thinking watermelon, but maybe a cute summery July spread with this. That would be pretty. Oh, this one's pretty. I like this one. It has more like detail to the florals. Really cute. That green is very bright. Oh wow, this one speaks summer. I love sunflowers. Really pretty. 2 pages of those. I love how large they are. You do get some small. I didn't notice that, but a lot of these are really large floral bouquet arrangements, and then you do get some of the smaller ones. So you have 2 pages of those. Ooh, wow, this is so pretty. I love the range of different color palettes and that they're all a little different. I love that she added some birds. Love that. It's really pretty. Get 2 pages of those. And yes, this entire sticker book is all clear stickers. Gorgeous. Oh my gosh, simply gorgeous. What do you guys think of this Live.Love.Posh, the POSH box? Are you going to grab one? You definitely should. And yeah, I tried to post this when it did release. I think it was like the 21st on my YouTube community tab. So definitely subscribe so you guys can get those alerts, because I really wanted to make sure that I, let you guys know, because I know that these sticker books are like ultimate favorite right now in the planner community. You have started collecting yours because I think they're simply gorgeous. I don't think there's anything out there like these. So yeah, definitely subscribe so I can try to keep you guys posted, but definitely follow Jessica on her Instagram. She gives actually gorgeous inspiration with using her sticker books. So definitely follow her there. It'll take you also straight to her store. So I will definitely put a link down below for you guys. It just takes you to her bio and store. It's not an affiliate link or anything, but that is everything in this gorgeous, the POSH box. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Definitely try my best to have a plan with me up soon using this gorgeous summer sticker book. I mean, I love that they're all clear stickers, and this pouch is so pretty. I think my favorite is the pen and the pouch because I'm such a bag lady. But I mean, this box is gorgeous on its own. But anyways, thank you so much for watching this video and spending your day with me here on Flip Through Friday. And I will see you all in my next video. Take care, stay safe, and happy planning. Bye.